Mastering, shall I? Making polite offers in English. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to our latest video in the series, Conversational English. Today, we are going to practice using shall I for making offers in various role-play scenarios. This form is often used when we want to suggest doing something for someone else, and it's a vital tool for making your English sound more natural and polite. Shall I is a very courteous, polite way of offering to do something for someone. It's a form of the future tense, but we don't use it to talk about future events. Instead, we use shall I when we're suggesting something that we can do to help someone else. For example, imagine you see a friend carrying a heavy bag. You might ask, shall I carry that for you? You're not predicting the future. You're offering to do something now or in the immediate future. Let's jump into some role-play scenarios where you might use shall I. Scenario 1. At home. Imagine you're at home with your family. You notice that your sibling is struggling to finish their homework. Here's how you can use shall I to offer help. You, shall I help you with your homework? Scenario 2. At work. At work, your colleague looks overloaded with paperwork. This might be your line. You, shall I help you sort these documents? Scenario 3. At a restaurant. You're out dining with a friend who's trying to decide what to order. Offer to help like this. You, shall I read the menu options for you? The goal of these scenarios is to practice using shall I in a variety of situations, so try to apply it in other contexts too. Now it's your turn. Create your own scenarios using shall I. Write them down, practice speaking them out loud, and role-play with a friend or family member. Remember, the more you practice, the more naturally these phrases will come to you in conversation. That brings us to the end of our video on using shall I to make offers in English. I hope this has helped clarify when and how to use shall I effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying out different scenarios and practicing the use of shall I. As always, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video.